This video we are discussing Rahn. What is Rahn, its uses, and how it is different from similar products in conventional banking. But before that, I would like to thank our viewers and subscribers for watching and subscribing to our channel. Please subscribe to our channel to stay tuned to our upcoming videos. Coming back to Rahn. Rahn literally means holding and binding. However, in Islamic banking, it can refer to as the object that was provided to creditor or pawned as security against qard. Qard is an Arabic word for loan or debt. A Rahn action or contract involves holding a valuable, non-fungible good as insurance against a debt. However, the focus is non-fungible, which means an asset which is not commonly interchangeable. Rahn itself is permitted in Quran quite clearly. Principles of Rahn. Contracting parties must have the legal capacity per Sharia law to enter into a contract. Underlying liability must be binding, matured, and clearly known to all parties. Pledged or Rahn property is of debtor to be held by the creditor in lieu of the underlying debt. Possession is permanent until debt is repaid. Possession can be with creditor, debtor, or a third party, like a trustee. However, ownership of the asset will stay with the debtor. The creditor must not retain the asset after the debt is settled, per the terms of contract. Pledge enforcement. In line with the Rahn contract terms and Sharia law, creditor can demand sale of pledged asset to recover the amount of debt. However, the sale should be fair, and if any surplus arises from the sale, the surplus belongs to the debtor and not the creditor. Here we'll cover life cycle or structure of a Rahn transaction. A person who is in need of fund and happen to have an asset, we'll call him debtor for our understanding. He finds a person or an entity with surplus funds who can loan him the money against the surety or pledging of his asset. They negotiate the terms of the contract. The debtor signs the contract pledging the asset to the creditor as security against the loan. The creditor transferred the agreed fund. With the time and according to the contract terms, now the debtor should pay. Debtor pays the creditor the amount owed. The creditor cancels the pledge, and that is how Rahn transaction ends. Main application of Rahn is security in Islamic finance contracts. Its benefits include fulfillment of short-term need of funds for the debtor and security for the creditor for their investments. The debtor does not have to sell the property and his short-term needs are fulfilled. Conceptually speaking, there is not much difference. However, if we bring in practices, there are a few differences. Rahn has to be fair and just to be Sharia compliant. That's where in case of a default, where the creditor demands sale of asset to recover funds, the surplus goes to the debtor. Further, creditor cannot simply take ownership against the amount due. The sale has to be fair and transparent. The asset has to be Sharia compliant and fairly valued. The contract must be clear and transparent with no hidden entrapments. And these differentiate Rahn from a conventional pledge. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please email us. Please leave a comment. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching again. Bye for now.